All right, guys, let's take a look at cross multiplying and reducing fractions. Okay, so this can show up, on quite a few different little questions and sections. So we start off, we go x over 5 equals 9 over 15. They want you to solve for x. Okay, so this is just pretty straightforward. They want you to cross multiply these two. That's really the only way you're going to be able to figure that out. Okay, and then when you do that, so 15 times x is 15x, and 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, and then once we're here, just go ahead and divide each side by 15. And 45 divided by 15 is a 3 spot, right? 15 times 3 is 45. 45 divided by 15 is 3. Okay, so there's one. Or that's how we do the cross multiplying. Okay, and then a little trick here maybe. So what about if we see 15 divided by 85? Okay, and they want you to reduce that as much as you possibly can. So then what we're really trying to do when we're reducing something is we're trying to see, so what number is it that I can divide to reduce 15, right? So only numbers like 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 15 divided by 5 is 3, right? Or even just dividing by 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. So those are my options, right? And then seeing like which of those numbers work for 85, right? And so your big question really is, well, can I divide 85 by 15, right? And so if you go 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and then 90, okay? So it won't work out as an integer, so we don't care for that one. 3 doesn't work, but 5 does. Okay, so if I divide this top one by 5, and I do the same thing on the bottom, right? So we just got to do the same to both the top and the bottom. Then 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 85 divided by 5, if you work that out, we get 17. Okay, so, and that will be our final answer. We can't reduce it any more than that. Okay, and so that's just kind of just getting used to the numbers. Like so much stuff with math, you take your time with it. And if you have to play around, like if you didn't know if you can divide 85 into 3, maybe you have to try it out and you find out, well, it doesn't work, and you go to the next one. Okay, and we'll do one more. 18 divided by 60. Okay, so you kind of have the same question here, right? In terms of what are the factors of 18, right? So I could divide it by 2, and I can divide 60 by 2, right? You always want to see, like, is there something I could divide further? I could divide 18 by 6, and I also could divide 60 by 6. So let's do that. So we'll divide by 6. Okay, 18 divided by 6 is 3. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Here's our answer, 3/10. All right, so that's really the process that you go through. You're trying to figure out when you're reducing these numbers, what is the number I can divide by on the top and on the bottom to get that number down as low as possible.